Hello code lovers! In this video we will blur our face in our camera image using the Python language. I will be using Anaconda and Spider. You can also use PyCharm differently. As you guessed, we will use the OpenCV and CV Zoom libraries. We will perform our operation with the face detector module. If you don't have libraries, you should first download them by using the Anaconda prompt, by saying pipe install OpenCV. I will continue coding, assuming that you have downloaded it. Let's start by importing libraries. Import CV2 from CV Zoom face detection module. Import face detector. Yes. Let's write the line to activate our camera. Cap CV2 video capture 0. As long as our camera is working, we will write down the operations we want to do with the while loop. So we write while true, red and video cap read. Then let's add the required line to the end of the view our video CV2 show video and CV2 waits key 1. When you try to run with these operations, your video should be running. Let's create our code to use the face detector module. The face detector not detector, detection. No, detector, okay. Face detector. We can complete the while cycle now. First of all, let's call the find faces function using the model image face. We said fd find faces function video. Then let's find the coordinates we need for the face displayed on the camera and print them to console. If not the face, if face x8 for height, face 0 and 3 box. Oops. Then we print. Let's print all of them. Finally, let's write our code to blur the relevant coordinates we found. Face image video, yeah, and for x face image. Now blur time, blur face image. You can like this. Then video, same thing. Face image. Now we can run this code. It's running. Okay. Oops, we have a name error. Where is this error? This. Try again. These are the locations. As we have seen, we have successfully blurred our face. You can also try it for yourself. Our video so far you have completed successfully. Congratulate yourself. I hope it was a video that you both had fun and learned about. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel to be informed about next videos.